Next up is a Brüel Kjær type 4416 response test unit. From what I gather, it de-emphasises the signal coming from the pickup of a turntable, and you would have a Brüel Kjær test record which has a sweep from 20 Hz to 20 kHz recorded on the record, and you put the output of the turntable through this and then record the frequency response on something else, or words to that effect. Pretty specialised sort of gear, isn't it? Here's all its uses, blah 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 blah. It can be used for playing back from turntable, like here, turntables, with a test record that produces a frequency sweep, goes in here and de-emphasises it, so you can see how well it responds to all the various frequencies recorded on the record. But up here you can use it for recording the test frequencies from a signal generator into a tape recorder, and then on the way back out as well you can record your test signal on the tape, and then so you're measuring the response going onto the tape and then measuring the response coming off it as well. She looks Danish, doesn't she? Fascinating. Once again, not going to do much of it except open it up and see what's inside. Take the screws off the back. Okay, a cute little power transformer, and power supply down there, as well as everything else on one large circuit board. Interesting, maybe not. Okay, that's it for that one. Give it a like if you enjoyed, although there wasn't much there, was there? Catch you later.